celebrate Christmas wherever you are, back home, with your family, or overseas. We at Fusion Excel are one with you in your passion to fulfill your aspirations and your hope for a bright future for you and your family. Fusion Excel is a top-grossing and fastest-growing network marketing firm in the world. We are looking for international partners who can take on the global market. Fusion Excel business partners champions the global expansion and navigate waves of exponential growth. As a business partner, you help people become healthy and you create wealth for yourself and everyone with you. This can be your other channel of success. Hold on to your dreams and take the journey with us to a future of fulfillment, happiness, and prosperity.
Christmas brings families together.
Ngunit ang ating mga OFW ay isinakripisyo ito para matugunan ang mga pangarap. Ang pangarap na matugunan ang lahat ng pangangailangan ng kanyang pamilya. Ang pangarap na magkaroon ng sariling bahay at lupa. Ang pangarap na makita ang mga anak na makatapos ng pag-aaral. Ang pangarap na magkaroon ng sariling negosyo at ang pangarap na magkaroon ng stable na retirement barang araw. I am a believer in dreams and in making them happen. I was a dreamer myself. You probably think that since I have achieved most of my dreams as a professional basketball player that I already stopped dreaming. No. Today, I am continually realizing these dreams through my partnership with Fusion Excel.
Hindi pwedeng sirain ng global financial crisis ang pangarap mo kung nakafocus ka sa mga tamang opportunities. Ang magandang balita pa ay may isang opportunity ka na para mapalago at mapalaki lalo na ang kita mo sa likod ng crisis na ito. Your sacrifices are not futile and can in fact even be invested in an exceedingly profitable venture when you become an international partner of Fusion Excel. I wear this Fusion Excel pendant every time I practice, train, or work out at the gym. I also never fail to drink energized water from this flask. As a martial artist, I can say that the products are really amazing. Little did I realize that promoting the products to my family, relatives, friends, and peers revealed an enormous opportunity to earn in the process. Don't pass up this chance to be physically and financially empowered. Be a Fusion Excel International partner.
When we pursue our dreams, it gives us financial empowerment for the family. And before you know it, business opportunities come your way. You can be an international business partner ng Fusion Excel. Ang mga health-promoting products ay talagang epektibo. As you will know, aside from the skill and rigorous training of the Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings, we also understand that by energized water from the Fusion Excel flask, the team performed better that we won the much-coveted PBA Conference Championship. Bago ako maging Fusion Excel International Business Partner, hindi ko akalain na ang business na to ay very rewarding and satisfying. Ngayon, masasabi ko sa sarili ko, walang pagsubok na di kayang harapin kahit na mayroong global financial crisis. You can be a Fusion Excel International Business Partner and you will be on your way to fulfilling financial security and satisfaction for you and your family.
May mga tradisyon tayong mga Pilipino na nagsiset ng goal bawat taon. Iniimbitahan ko kayong lahat dito sa napakagandang business opportunity partnership with Fusion Excel International. Katulad ni Alan, Alvin at Monsur, ang partnership ko with Fusion Excel ay nagsimula bilang tagatangkilik lang. At eventually, bilang endorser. Napakagaling talaga nitong mga produkto ng Fusion Excel. Because of the remarkable impact of Fusion Excel products on my health, I'm a living testimony to others. Promoting the products and doing the business became very easy. Make Fusion Excel your business partner in achieving your goals in life.